All right, so now we are done with one listening test. I would like to give you some instructions how you're going to take all IELTS listening tests. First of all, whenever you take the test, you should be all alone, right? Even if you don't find seclusion or loneliness, you can go to the washroom and lock the door, okay? In case if you don't find any loneliness. So the first thing is you should be all alone. Second, whenever you take the listening test, you should use headphone. It can be Bluetooth headphone, or if you have hand-free, you can use that also, right? You should use that. Another thing, once you play the audio on your mobile, and you've got complete audio, 30 minutes audio, like the audio which I'm going to give you, it's a complete audio. You are not supposed to touch your mobile. It's not that थोड़ा पीछे करके फिर देखता हूँ what is that and what happened and I missed an answer. If you missed any answer, let it go. Don't worry about it. In actual test also, if you miss any answer, let it go. Go on. I mean, that one answer that you have missed, you will miss many other answers as well. It's just like, you're playing badminton. We play badminton with bat and ball. Yeah? See, they're not reacting. We play badminton with football. Okay? Yeah. With baseball racket. So you're playing badminton and the shuttle is coming to you and you are hitting. Right? If one shuttle has fallen and you go back and pick, 3-4 more shuttles will come. So if you miss any answer, don't worry about it. At the end, you can guess it. Okay? So you will take one listening test under strict examination conditions. What are those strict examination conditions? Don't touch your mobile. Don't mess with the audio. Let it go on and take the test. Once you've taken the test, at the end of the same book, answers are given. Now you are the examiner. Okay. Have you seen Mr. Bean? In one of his episodes, it was Mr. Bean's birthday and nobody wished him. Nobody gave him any card. He wrote for himself a birthday card and he put it there and he was looking here. And then he opened and it was happy birthday and he was something like that, okay? So, second step, you are going to become your own examiner. Now you are going to see, all right, and very strict examiner. Yeah, it's not cat with K-A-T, koi baat nahi, bacche hain, aista aista sahi ho jayenge. You have to be very, very strict, mark it. Now, for instance, if out of 40, there are 30 correct answers, 10 wrong answers, you must go back and see why those 10 answers are wrong. Okay, you can play the audio again. Now you can play the audio as many times as you want to. And the best approach is not this, by the way. Best approach is give that task to somebody and say, please mark it. Where the answer is wrong, just put a cross. Now you don't know what the right answer is. You only know that question number 3, the answer is wrong. Now listen again. Do the second round. Okay, change your answer. Give it again to that person, please check. Now second stage, they will check first 10 wrong answers. Second time, 5 wrong answers. Do it again. 5 wrong answers. Okay, why? Again, you don't know what the right answer is. Because when you know what the right answer is, then you stop searching. Right? If I ask you a riddle, peheli kisi ne puchi, kisi ne jawab de diya, you stop thinking. In the class, have you noticed when one person yells the answer, others they give up. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. So this is how you got to take the test. And then only if you want to increase the number of correct answers, focus your mistakes. Focus your wrong answers, the reasons behind wrong answers, and you will be able to, test after test, gradually you will see first test 23 correct answers, then 25, then 28, then 30, and this is how you can just get better score, right? So this is how you should take IELTS listening test. First time you are the candidate, second time you are the marker. Marker means the person who marks the tests.